I am sharing with you ways in which I generate more income in my private practice by including another source of income. And so basically what that looks like is when people pay me to do an immigration evaluation, when they pay me to do an comprehensive evaluation, I give them the opportunity to either choose me or someone else for traditional talk therapy, or they can take one of the trainings or the courses that I have. And then at that time, they don't have to, focus on scheduling an appointment with me and, picking up the kids and dropping them off and making sure they have, no, so they can take this on their own time and go through the modules, the pop quizzes or the quizzes, the tests, and they can do it all on their own. And so that's what I'm basically sharing with you all today. So on my website, I have a link, and on that link, it says basically help for immigrants. Okay, it's the third link on the website. So right here, beacons.ai/Rankins, you can see on the third tab, it says help for immigrants. And it's right there where people can go in and look at the website where I have, I'm going to go ahead and share this with you. And I hope you all can see it. I'm going to try to blow it up a little bit more for you guys without covering my face, but I'm going to cover up my face. Bump that. Okay. So here, this is the most recent one that I had. Okay, M2M 2-hour survivor empowerment e-course. This is the most recent course that someone has taken, and they were applying for the VAWA application. Their court date is coming up. They're like, man, listen, I need to go ahead and show that I've been working on myself. And so instead of signing up for therapy, they decided to go ahead and sign up for this 2-hour training that they can take on their own time at their own pace. So the 2-hour survivor empowerment e-course, domestic violence victims awareness, intimate partner violence prevention, healthy relationship worthiness, and self-value education. All of that is included in this 2-hour e-course, and it's priced at $97. Now, I didn't make this course. I signed off on it. I approved it. I reviewed it, but someone else had made this course, and we split profits on this training. Now, it's great for me because I don't necessarily have to spend the 2 hours in front of someone working with them on trauma, grief, bereavement, on anxiety, depression. I don't necessarily have to do that, but I can still be impactful and effective without giving necessarily my time, and I get reimbursed for it. It's a great trade-off. So after people have paid me hundreds of dollars, I'm going to go ahead and remove this now from the screen. So I'm talking with you guys and you can see me. So after they've paid me hundreds of dollars to do these reports, I then offer them an additional support service by giving them the opportunity to gain knowledge, experience, and show proof that they've been working on themselves. So in this case, it was a VAWA application. He was a victim of domestic violence, and he's taken this course. And what happens after they complete the course, they send it to me. They show that they completed the course. They send me the completion certificate, and I go ahead and I review what they've done. I review what they've done in my side on the portal side. I review what they've done, how much time they've taken. They did complete the report, the e-course. I see that on the back end of that. I have access to it. So I see the progress that they've made. And then after they download that completion certificate, they send it back to me. They send it to me. I then sign it. I sign it. And so that gives it that authentication that this was from a licensed professional counselor. This is a legit training. It has my alphabets on it, my name, and my contact information. It's super helpful to the client. Why? Because the federal judges don't want you just to go see a mental health professional so you can get this report written. They want to see supportive evidence that you've been working on yourself. Where's the evidence? And so this is an actual piece of evidence that will be submitted to the courts. And this is a piece of evidence that this client suffered from this trauma and he's working on himself or herself or their self. And I get reimbursed for it. It's a great trade-off. So here's the kicker, guys. If you want something like this, this is no money into my pocket. I don't know how much she charges, but it's not much. And she may only charge 50% of the profits once you sell it. So she may do it for free and get the half on the commission. And it's only right. It's only right. So she puts in the work, creating the course, put your name, your alphabets, and then your business logo on across the board on this training. It's yours. It's now yours, just like she did for me. You can see it there. So you guys, it's a great business model. You're helping people. You're saving your time. You're still creating the impact, and you're making money. Great trade-off. That is a powerful gem. Nobody else is sharing with you. I guarantee you, nobody else who does immigration evaluations offers something like that. Well, I can't guarantee that, but they don't promote it to you. They're not letting you know this. I am, though. I'm sharing that with you. So I hope you appreciate it. This is Jeremiah J. Rankins, licensed professional counselor in the state of Texas. If you are in the Houston area, October 10th, or in the state of Texas, October 10th, you have no excuse not to join me in my live workshop. I'm dropping some gems on foundations of immigration evaluations. That is the title of my workshop. I will be having a Naomi with me. This young lady is an attorney in the office I was working at in Houston, Texas. So her office was right down the hall from mine. We shared, the floor together, and we came across, man, she would see clients every single day. She's taking up the conference room. She's annoying me with her being in my way, but you know what I'm saying? She's put in the work, and I've seen her doing it. So over 5 years, we were in there together. So I know she's been practicing immigration law for over 5 years. She used to have them Spanish speakers coming in there all day, all night, 5, 6 o'clock at night. So she'll be joining me. I can't wait to have her, but I've never shared the floor with her. Shared the floor with Claudia before. Haven't shared the floor with Naomi. So we'll see how this goes, but it's going to be fun. We're going to have some gift bags to give away. I'm going to have some things to put in your hands, some tangible outside of the gift bag, some resources you can take home, start implementing, helping people right away. You're going to appreciate the workshop that I put on October 10th, 9 a.m. to 12. I'll drop the link as soon as I gain the details. What you want to do is go to my website, go to the link in my bio, beacons.ai/Rankins. Sign up to be on my email list. Once you sign up to be on my email list, you'll get all the updates for that upcoming event that I have going on. So I hope you stay tapped in. I hope to see you on October 10th. I'm going to keep talking about it at the end of every single video that I do because I want to be speaking to a crowd of people, not a group.